Hey everybody, so hope you got my messages on School Zone, on Google Classroom. I'm going to put some stuff on our classroom website tonight, hopefully when I get home. Today's been a weird day. I'm sure it's been weird for all of you. There's so many different unanswered questions that we're all waiting for answers on. I had a couple meetings today with different admin people. My department went down for a meeting. Mostly we still have a lot of questions. Right now, the best place for you to look is on School Zone. Edmonton Public Schools is the place to go. They're the ones who are going to be messaging as best as they can to parents, teachers, yourselves. For my classes specifically, this week I'm going to work on some different options with regards to getting our stuff fully online and fully digitally integrated. But I need your guys' help. I need you to send me emails, questions, concerns, areas of interest that you might want us to take a look at now that we're going to more of a digital classroom scenario. I need your guys' help. I need to know what problems I need to solve in the next 2 weeks so that after we get back from spring break, we can hit the ground running and still have a little bit of work that we can get done for the remainder of the semester. So please, please, please send me your comments, like the channel, tell your friends. I'm going to try and do some videos in the mornings just for fun, just for general insight and stuff, not specifically related to my classroom. But hopefully we can have a little bit of fun throughout this whole situation, and I'd love to answer your questions and just see what general topics you'd want me to talk about over the next few months as we finish up this school year at JP. So yeah, to all our JP family, we love you. We hope that you guys are doing well. Be safe. Follow the guidelines from the Alberta government. Follow the guidelines from Edmonton Public Schools. And yeah, see you soon.